Hello sailors! This video is about our sailing adventure in Thailand, day 3. From Onang we sailed approximately 4 miles to Koh Dam Khwan north. It's a beautiful stop for breakfast and snorkeling. Anchor no less than 12 meters to the west of the small island. A shallow reef extends from Koh Dam Khwan to Koh Dam Hock, so do not attempt to pass between them. You can also anchor in Koh Dam Hock north and Koh Dam Khwan east. From Koh Dam Khwan we sailed southeast for approximately 23 miles. After a beautiful sailing day, we arrived to Klong Dao, Lanta, northwest. Anchor in the middle of the bay in 4 to 6 meters. Beware of the shallow reef and rocks to the south of this anchorage. The west coast of Koh Lanta has lots of anchorages during the northeast season.